Hey guys, it's Paul here from the Electronic Cigarette Company, and today we're going to be looking at how to clean and maintain your vape. So, if you've got a pod system, something like my Oxford Slim Pro here, then it's not going to take an awful lot of cleaning and maintenance. All you need really is a nice bit of kitchen roll or tissue, and then just wipe on the inside where your contacts are, just to make sure that there's no liquid build-up. Again, likewise, just on the bottom of your pod like that, and that helps those contacts stay clear of liquid. That's pretty much all the maintenance that these kits need, apart from, wiping up any mess on the outside. But what if you don't have one of these kits and you have a more traditional tank? Well, let's go down to the close-up and see how to clean out and maintain a normal screw-on 510 tank. Okay, so let's get on to cleaning a kit with an actual tank on it. So for today's demonstration purposes, I'm going to be using this, which is the Joytech D19. Now, as you can see, the tank detaches, as most tanks do from mods. Now, this liquid is really old. The coil is definitely over 2 weeks old. So let's get this changed out. So the first thing you're going to need to do is empty the liquid from inside of it. And if you want to, just give the tank a nice rinse under a tap. So let's go and rinse this out, and then we'll be right back. So now we've got the tank all rinsed, we're going to need to make sure that it's nice and dry, because water and e-cigs do not mix. So just make sure that you give all of the parts a nice wipe. So it's always handy when you're cleaning or filling or maintaining your kit to have a little bit of tissue or kitchen roll handy. That way it just stops the mess getting everywhere. And clean the inside. Now, it does help if you can remove the glass from your kit, just to give it a nice opportunity to dry. And there we go. So the tank's all nice and dry again. What we're going to do now is put it back together. So putting the glass back on. And now this won't screw back together without the coil, so let's do that next. So this is a brand new coil. I'm going to be using some Titus Mango Lychee to fill it up this time. So a few drops just down the center of the coil and letting that soak in. Now that's called priming the coil, and that ensures that it doesn't burn the first time you fire it up. So if you give it a bit of a spin, you'll see on all these little holes here that the cotton inside is nice and moist with liquid. Now that just screws back onto the base and back together. So there is our nice and clean tank. So now all you've got to do is fill it up. There we go, plenty of liquid in there. So now that it's nice and filled again, what you can do, just to be on the safe side, is just give it 5 to 10 minutes just to sit and wick, to ensure that your coil doesn't burn. I mean, because I've primed the coil, I theoretically could vape this straight away, but just to be on the safe side, I am going to give it 5 to 10 minutes. And that is how you clean out a tank. And there you have it. That was the close-up of how to clean and maintain a traditional tank. Now, as you can see, I've given it 5-10 minutes just to sit and wick, and we're back in business. Now, if you're going to be cleaning your kit on the outside, just make sure that you're using a dry tissue or cloth, or it's only slightly wet, because once again, Water plus e-cigs, not a very good combination. So just give it a good wipe, and that's pretty much it. That's how you maintain an e-cig. Now, are there any kits that you'd like to see how to set up or maintain? Well, let us know in the comment section below. If you like what you saw today and you'd like to see more, then why not sub to the channel? And don't forget to enable that notification icon so you stay up to date with all of our latest and greatest content. As always guys, thank you for watching.